Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to use trigger blocks and grab. Trigger blocks are fundamental tools for creating interactive environments. They allow you to define specific areas or conditions that, when met, will trigger a predefined action. Think of them as the brains behind many interactive elements, making your creations dynamic and engaging. We'll cover everything from basic setup to more advanced applications, ensuring you have a solid understanding of their power. Setting up a trigger block is quite straightforward. First, you'll want to place the trigger block in the exact location where you want an event to occur. Next, you'll define its activation condition. This could be when a player enters its volume, or when a specific object comes within a certain distance, perhaps 5 units. Finally, you'll link an action to this trigger, telling it what to do once activated, like opening a door or playing a sound effect. Now, let's talk about the grab function. This feature enables players to pick up and interact with objects in your environment. To integrate this with a trigger block, you might set up a trigger that, upon activation, allows the player to grab a nearby item. For instance, when a player approaches a tool, a trigger could enable the grab function for that specific object. Remember to ensure the object you want to be grabbable has its physics properties correctly configured. Beyond the basics, trigger blocks offer many advanced possibilities. You can chain several trigger blocks together to create intricate sequences of events, like a multi-stage puzzle. Incorporating delays, perhaps a 2-second pause, or timers, can add a layer of complexity and challenge to your interactions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different trigger types and conditions to discover new and exciting ways to enhance your interactive experiences and bring your ideas to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.